Good morning, everyone. I'm Associate Professor Dr. Kok Hooi Beh, and I'm pleased to present our research title, Analysing Factors Impacting Customer Satisfactions in E-Hailing Services, a DART model in Malaysia. Since 2009, e-hailing services like Uber and Grab have transformed the transportation industry. With increasing urbanizations, internet penetration, and smartphone usage, e-hailing has become a vital mode of transport globally. In Malaysia, the sector is projected to generate RM 2.9 billion by 2025. Our study aims to explore what factors influence customer satisfactions in e-hailing services using the DART model as our theoretical framework. Despite the significant growth of e-hailing industry, it continues to face several critical challenges. Firstly, service quality remains a concern, with frequent complaints about unprofessional driver behavior and poor communication, which negatively impact the customer experience. Secondly, accessibility is limited, particularly for elderly users and those in rural areas, who often struggle with unfamiliarity with technology and inadequate infrastructure. Thirdly, safety and security issues have emerged, with reports of crimes involving e-hailing drivers leading to reduced public trust, especially among female users. Lastly, there is a lack of pricing transparency, with fares surge during peak hours and hidden charges, such as cancellation fees, causing user dissatisfactions. These challenges must be addressed to sustain public confidence and promote the long-term growth of the e-hailing industry. This study has two main goals: to examine how DART model, namely dialogue, assess, risk assessments, and transparency influence customer satisfaction. Second, to offer recommendations for improving e-hailing services in Malaysia. Customer satisfaction plays a key role in business success. The expectations confirmations theory suggests the satisfaction arises when actual service performance meets or exceeds expectations. In digital platforms like e-hailing, service quality, trust, and ease of interactions significantly affect customer satisfactions. To enhance service quality, build trust, and improve ease of interaction, this study adopts the DART model, which comprises four key dimensions. Firstly, dialogue involves interactive communication between the company and its customers, fostering trust and mutual understanding. Secondly, access refers to the provisions of accurate information and appropriate tools, enabling users to engage with the service more effectively. Thirdly, risk assessment ensures that customers are made aware of any potential risks associated with using the service, allowing them to make informed decisions. Lastly, transparency involves clear and honest communications, which helps reassure users and strengthen their confidence in the service. Together, these dimensions form a framework that allows for the assessments of how firms and customers collaboratively create value in the e-hailing context. We developed four hypotheses based on the DART model. Hypothesis 1. Dialogue positively influences customer satisfactions. Hypothesis 2. Access positively influences customer satisfactions. Hypothesis 3. Risk assessment positively influences customer satisfactions. Hypothesis 4. Transparency positively influences customer satisfactions. We adopted a quantitative casual research design, and 350 surveys were distributed online, and 205 responses were valid. Data were collected using Google Forms or platforms like WhatsApp and Instagram. We analyzed the data using SPSS version 27, applying descriptive, factor, reliability, and regression analysis. Here's the quick demographic breakdown. 77.1% were aged 18 to 25, 64.4% were female. Most respondents, 71.7%, held a bachelor degree and all had prior experience with e-hailing services. Our regression analysis revealed that all four factors, dialogue, access risk assessment, and transparency, significantly influence customer satisfaction. The model explains 42.5% of customer satisfactions, variance equals to 0.425, which is weak model fit. VAF values were all below 3.33, indicating no multicollinearity issues. Based on our findings, we recommend several improvements to enhance customer satisfaction in e-hailing services. Firstly, e-hailing companies should strengthen two-way communications by implementing automated virtual assistants, AVAs, and simple feedback systems to handle customer enquiries and collect users' input efficiently. Secondly, companies should improve access to essential information such as ride details, pricing structures, and customer support channels to ensure a more seamless user experience. Thirdly, firms need to adopt a proactive approach to risk management by incorporating visible safety features, including emergency context options and real-time ride tracking to enhance user confidence. Lastly, maintaining transparency in areas such as fare calculations, driver identifications, and complaint resolution processes is crucial to building customer trust. Together, these enhancements are likely to lead to increased customer satisfaction, greater loyalty, and improved long-term competitiveness in the e-hailing industry. For future studies, we propose several recommendations to enhance the research process and outcomes. Firstly, researchers should consider extending the data collection periods to capture a more diverse and representative sample of respondents. Secondly, it is advisable to seek sponsorships from industry players, such as Grab, to support larger-scale research initiatives, including resource allocations and participant incentives. Thirdly, the use of tutorial videos should be incorporated to guide respondents in navigating and completing online surveys, particularly for those who may be less familiar with digital tools. Lastly, future research should explore additional factors beyond the DART model, such as system usability, brand trust, or service innovations to gain a more comprehensive understanding of customer satisfactions in e-hailing services. The DART model effectively explains the factors influencing customer satisfactions in e-hailing services. The findings of this study provide valuable guidance for e-hailing firms to enhance user experience and strengthen their competitive advantage. Additionally, this research contributes to the growing body of literature on digital service quality in Malaysia, offering insights that are relevant for both academics and industry practitioners. Thank you very much.